So the market always catches up with a surprise. Cause yeah, guys, as you could see, 1, 2 price went up because of what? Because of the double bottom. But then it wasn't really that much of a double bottom because we touched here, but then we didn't touch here. So these will take us to what? These will take us to the market psychology. So it's just up to you guys. So here it was just me believing that it will happen, and it did happen. So okay, price we went to the what? Now we're on the daily. So me being in the daily time frame, guys, I have to wait on hold on for like few minutes, cause 1, 2, 3, we've reached that level. You understand, guys? So when we reach that level, for us to come down. So I'll put this thing here, so that we can focus on the current structure. I'll put this. As you could see, prices forming a what? Prices forming a double top here. You understand, guys? We are forming a double top, okay, and then we have these. You see how it is, and then guys, we're gonna come on the low. We have these. So this is the structure that I'm having right now from the what? From the bigger scale, guys. This is the structure that we are having from the what? From the bigger scale. So we're gonna have the 90% rule of this mini structure, which is that one. That's the 90% rule. So guys, this buy, I was in surprise because it bought because of this intersection here. So the reason why price bought, we were not surprised because we know what made price to buy. So we had a pattern, which was a pattern. That pattern is the one which made the market to do what it did, because from that level. So if you know your structures, guys, you always have to believe the structure is key. So that buy that we had there, I wasn't surprised, because we were having it like these. So you were supposed to take it from there, and this is your stop loss, and then you take profit there. And like if you were to play it, you'll understand. You see how price moved. We moved so nice, guys, that we reached that level. You understand? So now we are just waiting for price to reach here. So this thing I was just showing you, I don't want to make my chart to look in a bad way. I was just showing you. So we are about to reach this level. So we're gonna go to the 4-hour. Okay. As we going down to the 4-hour, guys, we have to look at it, guys. It's all about clean charts. How it's done. Always clean. So now I'm gonna go to the 4-hour. Only a fool will send me a request. So okay, guys, now we are having these, so we are highlighting this level. That's the level on like where I expect price to push, because this is a what do we call these? We call this a pattern. We had this pattern and it has a break. So now price will do this, and then we reach this level, we come down, we form this, and then we go down. So what's formed here, guys, it's bit of the market nature, you understand? So I'm just showing you on how price will do. You understand, guys? So I'm expecting price to do something like this. It might not be that straight, but then we have to form something like this. Or maybe, guys, you can use your bar pattern to your advantage. You can take from that height going sideways. You understand, guys? With the bar pattern, use the bar pattern again. Bar pattern from here going sideways. Okay, it's black. Okay, we have to change the color so it can be visible. All right, there is it. So we can put it from there, so it's just gonna move in this direction, and this is the great way to move. So okay, guys, I'll delete whatever I did there. So we're going to the 1 hour now, so from the 4-hour to the 1 hour. So after here, guys, I want the ones which are challenging. I need the pairs that will be challenging for me to analyze. To get what I'm saying, guys. We need the ones that you'll see in like, yo, this one is going to be hard. Then go to the 1 hour. So let's see what the 1 hour has for us, guys. Even on the 1 hour, guys, I believe you could see this is how the market moves, guys. It won't change today because we are looking at it. Market moves in an impulse, correction, impulse, correction. So as you could see, you had your impulse and price gave you your correction. This is what price gave you. Again, impulse. Price gave you what? Your correction. So with this correction, as I said, we need to wait for price to do what? Price to push high, and then we can come down. So guys, this one I'm just gonna end it on the 1 hour. So me ending it in the 1 hour, I just want you guys to understand that we're still gonna go up. You understand? So if you're looking at DXY, guys, I hope you look at the you're gonna be looking at the selling, you're buying positions. The market will buy after it has reached a certain level, which is this level, So this is the level that we wanna reach. You get what I'm saying, guys? So this is for the Sunday market breakdown, because I couldn't have the time to analyze the Sunday market breakdown, guys. I just got home today. I was busy with some few things, but then I had to remember you guys. So with DXY we done, guys. So which pair can we do? I see someone is saying we should do VIX 75. So okay, I'll have to open 2 windows. You understand, guys? I'll open 2 windows. The other one will be binary. The other one will be forex. Guys. So now we are opening VIX 75. So we can look at VIX 75, guys, So guys, once you see those things, you can never unsee them. I'm an under the go, guys. I'll be putting this thing on the what is it called? Is it called the? I'm gonna be putting this thing on the Yeah, after here we're gonna do Nasdaq. I have even an open position on Nasdaq as we're speaking, guys. And it's going nice so far, Yeah, guys, I'll do as many as I can, as long as it allows us to do, we want to do them, It's all about the knowledge, guys. If you can, have the knowledge, trust me, you done. You just need to improve more on analyzing, If you can, just up your skill on how to analyze, trust me, you done with this thing, So, okay, guys, now we're going to look at VIX 75. Once we are doing VIX 75, not VIX 75 spot. Because we have 2 types of VIX. We have the spot one and we have the normal one. So here I guess we're going to be doing the normal one, because the spot one is the one. Manando. Okay, guys, this is VIX 75, guys. So with VIX 75, I'll start on the 24 hour. I don't know what you guys call it, but then I call it the 24 hour, which is the daily. So, okay, from the daily, guys, as you always know how I analyze, we had to highlight the previous height. Okay, the previous height, we're going to use a horizontal rectangle to highlight so that it can show a bigger thing, So that's the height that we have. And then we have to come up with the lower low of this structure again. The lower low is probably around this level. So now we have the higher height and the lower low. And if you can check how price went down, guys, we had impulse and then we had a correction. So this level here is the best belief that I think this was the level which you guys are supposed to take your entries, your selling positions on these levels, And again, guys, if you can check the structure that we had something like this. Understand? So when we had something like that, it gave us what I like to call break and a retest. You understand? So it gave me a break and a retest. So after here, guys, we gotta go to the 4 hour. Nasdaq is selling. Check my life. I think I got time to be checking on your lives, man. You see, I'm live. You're telling me to check your life. So okay, guys. Again, guys. When we're looking at VIX 75, we could see nicely that price is giving us more opportunities. As you could see, this is the opportunity that we're having. And again, guys, you need to have this line here, which we did break, But just because it's not visible, I'll use this thing here. Price did break that level. You understand? So when price broke that level, what do we have now? We're now having what we call the 1, 2, 3 on the lower low. That's the first touch. This has to be the second touch. And then now we're heading to what? The third touch. We are now heading to the third touch. So we'll take what use the most, which is the brush. The brush. We're gonna wait for a drop, and then this is what we're expecting, guys. So with VIX 75, it was as easy as it is. You understand? It was as easy as it is. So okay, from the 4 hour, guys, I'll go to the last time frame that I prefer when I'm analyzing such stuffs, which is the 1 hour. Understand, guys? Yeah, the 1 hour. So guys, okay, let me start here. the real reason why this thing went up, you could see you went down. You could see that you had your what? You had your head and shoulders set up. Understand, guys? Like, you guys understanding such patterns, it will make your trading easy or easier. Do you understand, guys? So this was a head and shoulder setup, and then now what we have is just a what? A pattern that I'm expecting price to drop like that, and then when we drop, we're gonna be doing what? We're gonna be selling. But then we do have a what? We do have a target. You understand, guys? We do have a what? A target. So this is how we have it. You get what I'm saying, guys? This is how we have everything. So yeah, with this one, I'm done. You understand, guys? So this one, guys, was VIX 75 for you, and then this one is DXY for you guys. You know. So now, guys, I saw someone saying GBP JPY, so we're gonna move to GBP JPY. GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, guys. Okay, let's see GBP JPY. I have the weekly here, so I have to start from the weekly. So guys, now we are on GBP JPY now. So I just have to analyze it. So guys, as I said, this one it was supposed to be on the market breakdown. Okay, guys, are supposed to be on my market breakdown. Let's see, guys. Okay, so weekly, on the weekly, you could see how my chart is on the weekly. So as you know, guys, I can never miss the low and the high. You understand? My higher height and my lower low. So I have my what? Lower low. I have my lower low. Okay, you can tell. Okay, I have my lower low and my higher height. I think I analyzed it last week, so that's why I did that. Okay, I have my lower low and I have my higher height of the structure and the highest height of all time. So now it's something like that. So you're gonna just zoom in a little bit, and then after the zoom, I just get 3 touches, 1, 2, 3, and then I come to the low, 1, 2, 3, and then now we move to the daily. I'm cruising. So me being on the daily, you could see my 1, 2, 3, and again I have to get my touch okay or accurate. So now I'm having something like that, and now, guys, I have a pattern here, which is sort of this structure. You see how it is right now. So I'm gonna move to the what? To the 4 hour. Guys, I'm not gonna take anyone's request. So okay, guys, we have the structure and we have everything that we wanted. So now we're just fixing there and there. Okay, and again we have these. So yeah, guys, there isn't much to be done on this time frame, but best believe if price could come here, okay, which it's already, we have formed what we call the inverse head and shoulder setup, and then I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. So being on the 1 hour, you could see that price, my price went up with an impulse, and then it gave me a steep correction. So after the steep correction, guys, I believe you know what price has to do, guys. So now I'm waiting for price to at least do these, and we break. We have a pattern, and then we go to our what? We go to our take profit level, guys. So this is how I'm having it this side. You know, this is how I'm having GJ. Yeah, this thing, it's perfect when I'm looking at it. Did you get what I'm saying, guys? It looks perfect on my side. This is GBP JPY. So now price will have to do what? Will impulse to the upside, then we have a correction, and then we go there. So for us, how can we enter this one? So for us to enter, we're gonna come to where we say long. Okay, this is where I will enter my position, and the stop loss has to be tight, and the target, we need to know the target, and this has to be the target. And then, guys, with GBP JPY, I'm done. You need to understand the structure, you know. That's all you need to understand. If you can understand the structure, promise me you're done. So okay, what's next, guys? With GBP JPY, we're done. I'll explain more on how I enter those positions when I come again and analyze the midweek. When I come and analyze the midweek, understand, guys, your analysis is wrong. Okay, I don't care, man. I've been doing this for the longest time. Don't you see the invest head and shoulder here? Go do something, my boy. I don't even know what you're doing here. Okay, see someone guys mentioning. Let's see what you're mentioning, guys. Okay, let's see. Or let's go with gold. Let's go for gold. So now we are analyzing gold, guys. Gold, highest height, lowest low, and then we go to the what? We go to the daily. You see how it is on the daily, and then we need to highlight this level first. We have the 1, 2, 3. Again, we start from the height. We go down. We have the 1, 2, 3. So the real reason why price sold here, guys, looking at gold, you could see first touch, second touch, this was the third touch. And if you can check on the third touch, there's this intersection. I just love to do this thing, you know. So there was a break there. So us having a break, we're gonna have the lower low. That's the target where we think price will reach. Understand, guys? So that's my target. We're gonna go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, you could see price is still doing, you know, it's still dropping. So I could say the one thing that I'm waiting for here, you know, because prices just don't sell like that. We have to at least get a correction to the downside. So, you know, then we need to reach our 90% rule. So this position was supposed to be entered somewhere in this level, and then the take profit has to be the 90% rule of the structure. You get what I'm saying, guys? So this is how we see it, you know. This is how we killing these charts. You get what I'm saying, guys? We've been killing the charts like these. So guys, now I'm out of pairs. I'm out of pairs to analyze because the market is just getting easier every day. Okay, UJ. Let's see UJ. UJ. This is UJ now, guys. Okay. But UJ, it doesn't have a structure so far. I don't see the proper structure on UJ. So UJ, guys, is USD JPY. So don't get it wrong when I say UJ, you're thinking of schools. So in UJ, I'll have my lowest low, and then have my highest height of this structure, and then this height of this one. And then price went up with an impulse. So the real reason why we started buying is because of this correction. And then within that correction, price broke the first one, and then now I'll have to move to the daily. So on the daily, you could see price is still showing no sign of coming down. So I could say we have to go test this level here. Again, you could see that we have 1, 2, it touched 2 times, and then on the height we can have something like this. So we can go to the 4 hour now, guys. On the 4 hour, you could see it's not surprising again why we ended up having such, you know, because these touches, guys, you know, I'm a trend line nigga. Impulse, there's a correction here, and then impulse, so price has to reach this level. So we're just gonna go to the 1 hour, and me being on the 1 hour, you know, man, you see how it moves. These things, guys, they move the same way, you understand? Again, touches 1, 2, and then within that touches we had these. Okay, correction, impulse, and then we're gonna have another correction. So this correction just has to give us the same thing. So price has to push, and the daily target of this thing, guys, we have to take your impulse there, and then after taking your positions there, we're gonna push it to that level. So that's your take profit level. You can go to the 2 hours, 3 hour, still the same thing, you know. We just need to understand how these things are done. So if you can understand how they're done, bro, you're done. You understand? You're done with this thing. But then if you're still failing to understand what made price to do that, I don't know. You see, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So what can we analyze? I don't know what to analyze. Okay, let's see. We don't know what to analyze. It's me, man, under the goat, guys. Your boy here. Okay. The thing is, I can't even see comments. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's up. Okay, guys. So, all right, guys. Let's see. So, all right, guys. I'll post more, guys. I have something to do. So, okay, it's me, your boy, man, under the goat, guys. YouTube, I'm signing out. YouTube, I'm signing out. Alright, so guys, let's see who gets that 1K. Instagram, let's see who gets that 1K.
Recording stopped.
Who gets that 1K? Instagram. Instagram, who's getting that 1K? Let's see who's getting the 1K. Instagram people. Let's see who gets that 1K. And even pin this nigga. Who's getting the 1K, guys? I can't see comments. And it's now time to give away the 1K. I don't even know who to give. Let me exit the live and come back again. Let's see who can give